That'll be a challenge here. It's Paul Goldschmidt leading off for the D-backs, and a first pitch swing and a very high, towering fly ball. Tanaka, long way to go. What a catch. And a little smile, too.
Tell you what, from where he was prior to the pitch, they had him guarding left center. They were giving up the line. And this thing goes right to the line. Look how far he's got to come over. And how does he decide to get to it? He slides, reaches right back over his head. And this is a second baseman playing left field. This is a spectacular play. And as we've gotten to know him, he's a bit of a character. He enjoys stuff like that. And he will drop a smile on you, and it's always genuine.